Hi guys, it's Durrani from ResiTech. I just want to say a massive shout out to the guys at the Abode Academy, Jamie, James and Anna. Their service has been excellent from the get-go. Since I got into spraying about a year ago, I didn't have much experience and I went to the Abode Academy and got trained up in special effects, HVLP and UPVC and kitchen resprays. Brought this machine, the HVLP A-Force 5. I had to look then because there's A-Force 6, I got A-Force 6 as well. Brilliant machine, really lightweight. The gun is brilliant on it as well. So Jamie and James basically showed you how to use the machine, and any issues or anything that I've had with the machines for myself, not setting it up correctly or anything, Jamie was straight over. I came over to my unit one day and just talked me through all the protocols of maintaining your machine, looking after it, how to set it up properly. So yeah, I just want to say a massive shout out to Jamie as well for coming over and helping me out and getting me into spraying, man. So peace out.
Yeah, so I just wanted to quickly give you my opinion about my Abode experience. I did a course of Abode after finding them online, and I was at a local paint shop and got chatting with a guy who was into spraying, and I asked him how he did it. He said the best place to go is Abode in Chippenham. Luckily it was only about 10 minutes drive from where I live, so I phoned up, we had a good chat. After that I felt that the Abode, what Abode were offering was the right thing for me. I did the Airless course first. After that first course, I learnt so much and felt confident enough in what Jamie was saying to buy a machine from Abode. In fact, I bought two. I bought the Airless, I bought the HVLP, and I set off on my spraying journey. Anyway, since then, I've been fortunate enough to have access to the aftercare that Jamie offers. He's helped me on a number of jobs. Any problems I get, I know I can go to him and I can get a solution, basically. Yeah, the aftercare is absolutely top notch. So far I've not had any problems with my machine. He is a bit like the Penfold of paint. He's a professor, that's my name for him. And I think his programs are excellent, frankly.
I'd just like to say a huge thanks to Jamie and the team at the Abode Academy. They've been amazing from start to finish with my training and the aftercare with the equipment that I've purchased from them. They've just been amazing. Jamie is there to help at all times, weekends, nights, whichever. It's been a great experience. It's allowed me to start my own business, which I'm currently doing at the moment.
Hi, so this is Mark of Davies Carpentry. I've been trading as a carpenter joiner for the last sort of 15 odd years, and I'm just started getting spraying sort of in the last probably 3, maybe 4 years. Previously I had like a Graco, a GXFF, and it was fantastic, but sort of come across Jamie and his company, so I bought the new A6, and it's so much better than the Graco. I've had issues like with the gun, and like the aftercare with it was fantastic. Jamie went in on a Sunday morning, gave me a new gun, went through the whole process, and yeah, and just like I say, Jamie's courses in general are just absolutely fantastic. I can't recommend the company enough.
Hello, my name's Georgie Roberts and I run my own interior decorating business called Cozy Room Interiors. I started my spray journey with the Abode Academy this time last year. I've since gone on to recommend the Abode Academy to hundreds of people. People see me getting into spraying and changing my business and my earning potential, and they want to do the same. And I basically just say, it's because of the Abode Academy. I wouldn't be where I am now, and I won't be where I am in the next 5 years without them, and I know that. The aftercare for me was huge. They said to me that the aftercare was really good when people recommended it to me, but it is second to none. I can literally pick up the phone and speak to either Jamie himself, mainly always Jamie, but I can always speak to James or Anna in the office if I need them for anything. If I've got a problem with my machine, which I haven't had yet, Jamie has told me that they will replace my machine until mine's up and running. Thankfully, I've not had to do that. if I need new tips, if I need advice on something that I've forgotten, I just ring him and he helps me straight away. I have both of his machines, I have the HVLP and the Airless, the A6. They're both fantastic. I started out on a Q-Tech machine, and actually I sold it within 3 months. It broke quite a few times. I had problems with it. Jumped onto Jamie's machines and I use them constantly, have done since probably for like the last 6 months, and I've had no problems yet. And I don't think I will either. So yeah, can't recommend Jamie enough. James and Anna, the Abode Academy, are incredible. Their products are brilliant. Their spray is made by a sprayer, so what can go wrong? And to be honest, I can't wait to see what he comes up with, because they're brilliant.
Jamie and the team have been outstanding ever since we first met them. I was due to be made redundant, decided on a total different career path, and the assistance and the guidance that I had right the way through it was valuable. To a point where 7-8 months after our first course, started up my own business. A couple of little things that we needed guidance on afterwards, and Jamie straight away answered the phone, even on the weekends. Yeah, brilliant. Can't say enough about the whole team. Recommend Abode Academy for people who want to train, career path, or just enhance their skills.
This is a video from Dave at DM Decor, just to explain some of the help that Jamie at Abode has given me and my business over a few years now, primarily with the spray equipment. Having purchased one of his HVLP spray machines, he has helped me enormously, giving advice and little extras to help me with that machine. Jamie's so helpful when it comes to explaining how the machine works and the parts that are needed, and for any further materials or products that require, I know I can just contact Jamie or Anna and get a response very, very quickly, which is always important when you're trying to juggle things around on a daily basis. So yeah, I would highly recommend Abode. They've been fantastic for me and my business.
My name's Rich Wilbraham. I started this business last year after a course with Jamie from the Abode Centre. I did look around quite a lot for who I was going to do my spraying with. Looked online. Jamie's name came up an awful lot. So I've been following him quite some time anyway, and then I messaged him and rang him and said about the course and everything, and asked him if any of it was like classroom orientated, which is not a no-no for me. And even he said, nah, it's all hands on me. He said, I don't do no classroom, which was brilliant. Got there really nervous, but at ease straight away with them. Fantastic bunch of guys and girls. I did the granite course first, granite effect spraying, then the kitchen spraying then after that. And Jamie was on about the machines and all, and I was going to buy the machines ready, but Jamie said if I just waited, he's going to have his own machines coming out very soon, which I thought, yeah, okay, happy days. I'm happy with that. And I can't believe the performance of the Airless, how quiet it is compared to other machines that we used on his course. And yeah, it's absolutely superb bit of the kit. And the aftercare as well. He prides himself on the aftercare. He's always on the end of the phone. As you can see, I'm just about to start my spraying on the back door. And yeah, I can't thank him enough, because if it wasn't for him and his training and James and Anna, I said that I wouldn't be doing all this. So yeah, thank you very much everyone.
Hey everyone, how you doing? I've had a few questions asking me like why Abode, why did I choose Abode as a spray educating company over others, and why did I become an ambassador? So I thought I'd just jump on here and answer a few of those questions. So why did I choose Abode was really because just how they came across, friendly, relaxed. It was hands-on this is how to handle the equipment, this is what to do, what not to do, sort of thing. Another reason was, so Jamie's been a decorator, or was a decorator for 20 plus years, similar to myself, and he'd been on the journey that I was looking to go on. So, as I said, he's been a decorator, started spraying, was spraying emulsion internally, and then moved on to spraying kitchens and furniture, getting his workshop and so forth, and that's what I was looking to do with my business and my career. So again, he had been on the journey that I was looking to go on, so it was a good person to learn from. This one I only found out in hindsight, or after the fact, was the support. So this would probably more go towards why did I choose to become an ambassador. So the support that Jamie gives afterwards is amazing, really. He's always there at the end of the phone. One of the first jobs I was doing, as it goes, you get there, you've used your spray gun before, and then on the job is when it decides to pack up. Something decides to go wrong. So I'm calling Jamie, what do I do? Turns out it was just a ball bearing inside the piston, just needed freeing. But he was there to help with that, and he's always been at the end of the phone with tech support, troubleshooting, issues with coatings. I mean, even up to the other day, how I ended up with the first A6 spray gun. So obviously Jamie's spray pump, was I was in the middle of a job and my pump packed up, the piston went. So I called him at the drop of a hat. I was like, Jamie, I need a spare machine. At this point, I didn't know that he was bringing out his own pumps. So my plan was to just drop my pump off down there for him to fix, and hopefully he had another one that I could pick up, and he did. So, and that happened to be the A6, and that's the kind of support that Jamie's always on hand and ready and available to give. I think he does genuinely want everyone that comes through the school to actually succeed. And I remember in the beginning, Anna was helping me with how to market my business. I sent her my website and she gave me feedback on like things that I could do to improve on it. So between the both of them, they're really great, and I think they are passionate about the industry, and they are passionate about actually helping everyone succeed. So with all of the information that I was able to take from there, I thought I would be more than happy to promote the business if it can do the same for someone else as what it done for me, then that would be great, because yeah, it has definitely changed my business and changed I guess my family's lives as well. So yeah, that's it. In short, not short, that's it. See you later.